It goes without saying that majority of parents love their children very much and would do anything for them. Well, one dad has recently taken his son out of school so that he can focus on his esports career, and it has officially earned him the badge of cool dad status. Back when I was a kid, I asked my mom if I could leave school to become a Pokemon trainer, or better yet, transfer to Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry, and all she did was laugh. Welcome back to InformOverload. We tell you the news and we make it entertaining. My name is Michael Mello, and I'm extremely jealous of today's story. But before we get started, if you're new to the channel, hit the sub button and turn on your notifications to stay up to date with everything IO. And while you're at it, check us out on Instagram at InformOverload. So let me know in the comment section below, what video game do you wish you could play as your day job? Mine, of course, would have to be Pokemon. I'm still a 10-year-old at heart. Okay, so 16-year-old Jordan Herzog, also known as Crimz in the gaming community, is hoping to make it big as an eSports star. Luckily, the 16-year-old has support from his father, Dave, who is doing everything in his power to help his son have a successful gaming career. The 49-year-old father has reportedly invested over $30,000 for top-of-the-line gaming equipment to help his son become the best gamer out there. Dave even went as far as taking Jordan out of high school to allow him more time to focus on his dream. Jordan used to attend Lincoln Sudbury Regional High School. He was taken out of school recently though, even though his mother was totally against the idea. By law, Jordan is required to receive some sort of education, so as an alternative, he's currently attending online classes a few hours a day. It's kind of similar to how like young Hollywood stars will do online classes while they're on set. Similar concept here. But when he's not working on schoolwork, he's perfecting his computer gaming skills, which he says he spends about 8 to 10 hours in front of a screen a day. But Jordan claims he'll be making $100,000 to $150,000 minimum if he keeps this up. Jordan said in an interview that his ultimate goal is to make enough money so that he doesn't have to work for the majority of his life. He's on his way to compete in the Fortnite World Championship, where the grand prize is a $30 million pool, where first place gets $5.5 million. Not bad for a 16-year-old. Jordan's father, Dave, claims he noticed the rise in professional esports gaming and also took notice in Jordan's quick handwork as a gamer. When Jordan was 12, he won his first tournament playing the game Halo, in which he won $2,000. It was then that Dave realized his son's potential and knew he had to help Jordan become a professional gamer. Dave and Jordan are equally invested in Jordan's gaming career. However, it is reported that Jordan never gets to eat with his family. He doesn't get to see his friends or do the majority of the things a 16-year-old usually does because he's so busy working away as a gamer. It's also reported that Jordan's father stopped him from going out to play tennis with his mother as he was worried it would injure his son's gaming wrist. Apparently, his mother is also not the hugest supporter of his gaming life, but is trying to be supportive nonetheless because it's her son. While Dave has been criticized for his intense parenting and for pushing Jordan's esports career, he makes a decent point by saying if his child was excelling at piano, acting, or an athletic sport, he would be praised for being such a supportive father, but because it's video games, people kind of see it as child abuse. He kind of makes a good point. I mean, he is fostering his son's passions. But okay folks, I want to hear from you. What do you think of this story? If you were a parent, would you support your child's esports career? I want to know. If I feel like if my child made $150,000 a year, then heck, I would totally support them. But then again, I feel like he's missing out on so many things that regular 16-year-olds do, like go to dances, hang out with your friends, go to the movies. So I'm curious, debate in the comment section below, let me know your thoughts. And speaking of comments, it's time I read some of your comments from my previous video. The Animated Gamer said, trying to get featured day 3. Day 3 is your lucky day because you just got featured, congratulations. Sis Walker said, missed you Michael, was worried you were gone. You are my fave. Can't have the pizza prince disappearing. Aw, thank you so much. I appreciate that. I'm only a part-time host here, so you might not see me all the time because I'm here and there, but I appreciate it. And if you miss me, just rewatch this video. Happy shout out. Brain Build said, Michael's hair is on fleek. Where's the lie though? There's no lie. Thank you, I appreciate that. You've reached the end of this video. Hit this playlist for more InformOverload videos, tap the subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and follow us on Instagram. And last but not least, have yourself a wonderful day. I'm Michael Mello. Until next time.